everybody. Today we decided to do a face painting challenge. Here's my face. Now let's look at what Alyssa looks like. Show everybody your face. Oh look, a beautiful tiger. What did she say she was going to paint my face?
I'm not done with his face.
A fairy! A fairy!
I'm not done with him. I need to do black spots and...
She said...
No. I need to do black spots and also pink cheeks and blue.
You said
my
face was going to be a fairy. Does this look like a fairy? I look like a troll. What does this look like? A fairy? Does this look like a fairy? Does this look like a fairy?
No video.